Hello, algebra students. Today we're going to be working with Vertex Form. We've done this for a long time in class, but I wanted to have this in video form just so we had something to study for our test. So the first one we're just going to leave in Vertex Form, which remember is f of x equals a times x minus h squared plus k. Okay? So remember, our vertex gives us h and k, and the other point gives us x and y. So y is 1 equals, I don't know a, so I'm going to leave it there, times x, which was -1, minus a -3 squared minus 2. Okay, so I just plugged in h, k, x, and y into this equation. Now, primarily what I want to focus is on the parentheses. I want to get that simplified down. So I'm going to rewrite everything. This is like -1 plus 3, which will give me 2. Okay? So, what is 2 squared? Well, I have 4 and then minus 2. I cannot subtract these two because this one does not have an a. They are not like terms. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 to move it to the other side. So now I have 3 equals 4a. 4 and a are multiplied together, so to undo that, I'm going to divide. So I get a is 3/4. Okay, so I'm going to take this and plug it back into this, and remember, you're only going to use h, k, and a. So I'm going to leave f of x this time. That's equal to 3/4 is a times x plus 3, because this means x and then the opposite of h, which would be positive 3, squared minus 2. This is your answer in vertex form. Now, there will be one on your test worth a considerable amount of points that wants you to put in standard form. So, on this, I have a vertex of -2, 1 and a point of 0, 4. So I'm going to do the same thing that I did on the last one. Okay? We're going to do everything we did in the last problem. There's just a little extra at the end. So, our vertex is h and k, and our point is x and y. So y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. Again, here I'm going to focus on this, so it's 4 equals a times positive 2 squared, because opposite of -2 is positive 2, plus 1. Okay, 2 squared is 4. So I have 4 equals 4a plus 1. Okay, I cannot combine these two because they both don't have a's. So I'm going to subtract 1. Get 3 equals 4a. Divide by 4. A equals 3/4. So, I will plug that back into vertex form, which is f of x equals 3/4 times x plus 2 plus 1. This is vertex form. In order to go to standard form, I have to take care of this squared. So anytime you square something, that's like multiplying it by itself. So I'm going to do x plus 2 times x plus 2 in a box. X plus 2 times x plus 2. X times x is x squared. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay? So I still have a 3/4 out front, and I'm going to multiply that by x squared plus 4x plus 4, and then I'm going to add 1. Okay, here's a place where a lot of people make mistakes, and I want to make sure that you don't. We have to distribute this before we add the 1. Multiplication comes before addition. So we're going to take this, and we're going to multiply it all the way across. So this will give us 3/4 x squared. 3/4 times 4x gives me 3x. 3/4 times 4 gives me 3. And then I still have this plus 1. Since these are like terms, I have to combine them. So I have 3/4 x squared plus 3x plus 4. This is my final answer in standard form. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow for our review. Remember, our test is Friday. See you then.